Hi there, it's me again, your very inconsistent girly, clocking in before I disappear for another 2 months. Gadlala guys, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I'm consistent. I'm no longer gonna apologize for it because been there, done that, even got the t-shirt and I'm still not changing my ways. But either way, I am glad that you are still here, even though I am very much inconsistent. And if you are new here, yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, sending lots of love, kisses and prayers your way. When I first came to university, I was so excited. Finally stepping into a new chapter of my life. Guys, I had plans, dreams, and this picture in my head of how everything would go, name. But what I didn't realize is how much this new environment would really challenge my faith. Back home, faith came so naturally. I had my church, my family, my friends, people who believed what I believed. It was so easy to feel close to God when everything around me reminded me of Him. But in varsity, the foundation got shaken. It was a whole earthquake, I won't lie. Like all of a sudden, I'm surrounded by people who see life completely differently, hearing so many opinions, so many voices. And in the middle of that noise, it's so easy to start wondering or start drifting away. And I'm not gonna lie, at first, I thought I had it under control. I told myself, my faith is strong and nothing is going to change that. But then classes got stressful, weekends got busy. Skipping one Sunday at church, then another. All of a sudden, I'm not praying as often as I used to. And before I knew it, my relationship with God felt really distant. Not because He had left me, but because I had started slowly drifting away from Him. But again, in the space of the confusion and doubt, I also began to understand something deeper about faith. It's not about having it all figured out or about being perfect, but it's really about choosing to hold on even when everything feels uncertain. I'm still trying to figure life out. I still make mistakes and I still have days where I struggle. But that's exactly why Jesus died on the cross for us. Because He knew we couldn't do it on our own. He knew that we'd fall short and lose our way. So even when I stumble, I remind myself that His love doesn't depend on my perfection. His grace is enough. And that gives me peace, knowing that no matter how far I drift from Him, He's always there waiting for me to come back. Foundation. This is my firm foundation, guys. By the beach, guys. What are you doing at home? But I do suggest coming to the beach as well. Say hi.
Breaking all these bars hard to try and fix my own one. It's never any real fun, whatever my intention. But my issues with commitment, your love and the endearments, all these attractions I know are distractions, 'cause I'm lonely. Can't be on my own, babe.
We're just girls. Okay, let's not fall.
You don't just stop and scream.
No, because I didn't think we were gonna fall. I thought we were gonna do it gracefully, but that
Obviously
happened.
not.
No, but guys, this thing is very like, look.
Yo, bro, it's very uneven.
It's very uneven, so it's not even our fault. So, but anyway, let's actually act right before we fall again.
Too many nights asleep on the side, asking myself why I do this each time. Oh, I'm a roller coaster, so don't come any closer. I gotta learn to love myself so I can learn to love anybody else.
Oh my word, you look so cute. Baby Elias, a turkey.
Oh, no.
Can't be on my own, babe. I am so lonely.
Negative outputs.
Intrusive thoughts.
Sammy, please, girl.
Do something. This is so bright. Anyway, we just had McDonald's after class. That's why we have bags.
Yeah,
That's why we have bags. Now we're going to Clicks to get essentials, ne?
yeah.
Get small onion essentials and yeah.
So pretty to me.
I don't need a man.
Yeah, you
I don't
don't.
need a man.
I'm here.
But anyway,
Whatever. See.
just wait and see. But yeah. Don't influence her. Money comes back.
It does. It does. It does. Money comes back.
Nah, my things as well. Money comes back.
Money comes back. Yeah.
But these things are cute, Chef. Guys,
Yeah,
we need
I-
them. It's like a necessity. Malia boo, yeah, you should go through that.
Money comes back. It does. Back. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hopefully space for more money to come in. Gorgina! You're so gorgeous, Chumi.
Samurai Jack.
Oh, we did. Oh, with the shadow, yeah, it's really cute. It's a whole production, guys.
Let's light them up.
It's a whole production, guys. There's a lot going on. Fade away. It's a 9 out.
Maybe just start trying to put the candle on earlier on. Okay. Just in case it doesn't light. Yes, like, when you say 6, you go to
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kedu. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Oh my God.
It's not for those pictures.
She's finally 19. My friend's birthday so far has been beautiful, and it's only 1 o'clock, guys. It's only 1 o'clock, and everything is eating. Like, it feels like my birthday. Like, the way I'm so happy, it feels like my birthday. Yes, it sings. It sings.
Wait. Actually, you're wrong. You know, you're wrong.
You had one.
Yes. You were just. I bought it. No, listen.
Fucking up my drink, I'm big, talking. Sick on the young miss. And man, you enter this with the illness. On top of drink, I mean, I'm big, slim. Fucking up my drink, I'm big, talking. Sick on the young miss. And man, you enter this with the
Yeah. Outfit of the night. Outfit of the night. We are now ready. Carry it.
Can I?
Are you done?
I feel like I need.
We are done. Say hi. Say hi, Shelly. Shelly's just laying her edges, guys. She's just look at that. Look at
Yes. Legs out.
the outfit of the night.
Okay, shit, not like Unini, man.
So cute. Say hi. Say hi.
She's playing my song, playing my song, playing my song. The status is she's playing my song, playing my song, playing my song. The status is she's playing my song. She sends a message with hearts and smiles. I love her clothes.
So we made it to the place, but the kitchen was closed, and we need food.
Is that an option?
We're now like searching for another place.
What do you think you do? You want to
Crying is
eat
not
in your
an
outfit,
option.
right?
Our girl got style. She writes from home. Her time is cold.
I like to do you because you is the best. I like to do you because you get it down in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good morning. It's breakfast. We lost track of time, but we had a ball. Yo, time is not even morning, guys. It's like 4 o'clock. I'm just tired, I'm dusty, I'm crusty. Don't even have a voice at this point. But that's okay. It's okay because fun was had. And it's such a beautiful day today. It's not like PE weather. People know PE weather. There's no PE wind. It's just like the sun's out. People have their bums out at the beach. And yeah, it's a good day. But then yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. And peace.
And there's also your question as well is, which reservoir is taking the ultimate title tonight? Want to give yourselves a round of applause? Music is who we are. Music is One last time, can we hear it for Metro Reservoir? As who will be taking the ultimate.
It's like my whole ass is out.
But I feel like I'm supposed to see the lyrics.
You're not supposed to see the lyrics. That's the fun. If you get it wrong, I'm like, oh, right.
You know, I know the song.
Yes, you know the song, Chummy.